Offering panoramic views of picturesque Sydney Harbour and Neutral Bay District, this dual level apartment is sure to impress. Situated in a very quiet yet convenient pocket of Neutral Bay. Hi, my name's Mitchell Soinova, proudly representing Pello. Let's go take a look. Situated in a peaceful, secluded pocket of Neutral Bay, yet walking distance to Neutral Bay Village and North Sydney CBD, this split-level apartment showcases panoramic city and harbour views. Entering the property, you can feel the sense of space and light throughout. The entry level features 3 generous-sized bedrooms, all with built-in robes, main with ensuite and a bathtub in the main bathroom. Moving through the property, up the second level, this part of the home is spectacularly laid out with a full emphasis on entertaining and is totally open plan from kitchen out to full width entertainer's balcony. The kitchen is large in size and features floor to ceiling cupboard space, gas cooktop, smeg oven and a dishwasher. One of the things I know buyers are going to absolutely love, apart from the picturesque panoramic views of Sydney Harbour, has to be the emphasis on entertaining with seamless flow out to the full width entertainer's balcony. The location is whisper quiet yet conveniently located only a short walk to Forsyth Park, North Sydney CBD, Neutral Bay and Kirribilli villages, the Big Bear Shopping Centre, the Oaks and express public transport to the city. Other features include secure car space, plenty of street parking for visitors, abundance of storage options, split system air conditioning and a security building of only 9 other apartments. This apartment is truly something unique that the Lower North Shore has to offer. I look forward to welcoming you to this absolutely remarkable apartment at the next inspection.